Thank you for viewing this tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please contact Kathy Stenson at 281-728-3948. Well-maintained 3-bedroom overland manufactured home west/a huge oversized 2-car garage that has a full attic for additional storage. This country home features a separate living and dining room and offers a split floor plan with a large master bedroom with an ensuite bath with a garden tub and a separate shower and double sinks. Spacious secondary bedrooms with ceiling fans. Front and back freshly stained porches and a back deck for entertaining. 2 additional outbuildings with power to store the lawn equipment, etc. in. Updates include releveling 2023, plywood subfloor, with laminate flooring in the living area and tile in the wet areas, recent hot water tank, electrical panel, plumbing, skirting 2022, Train HVAC system, faucets, toilets, stainless steel appliances, exterior lighting, French doors with blinds and 4 exterior faucets. Unrestricted property with the City of Pattison Water.